Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to train model in Leonardo AI. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to log in to our Leonardo AI account. And once we are logged in, this is our Leonardo AI interface. So at the left portion of our interface, you have here the number of images, the alchemy, prompt magic, public images, image dimensions, guidance scale, control net, tilling, and use fixed seed scheduler. So these are basically your tools that you will be using to generate AI. All right, so let's begin. Now we are going to scroll down and at this at this part we are going to upload the image that we want to generate. So under image to image tab, we are going to click upload or drag and drop. So you're just going to choose the photo that you want to generate to. All right, so this is the first photo that I want to generate. So if you want to, you can adjust the number of images that you want to generate here. So let's say you're just going to choose 1, 2, 3. It's really up to you as to how many. So let's say I'm going to choose 8. And for the alchemy, I want some of these. I'm just going to leave it as it is. So now we are going to write the prompt that we want to just give, basically just a description as to what your model will be like. So you can type anything that you want your model to be. You want to make sure that the image that you are going to put here is the same image that you want to generate. So how are you going to check that? So if you are going to click the drop down button here and click on custom model. So here you can select a fine-tune model. So if you're going to choose the platform model, so you can choose any from here. So let's say we're going to use the Dream Shaper version 5. So how are we going to know the base model? So you're just going to check the base model here. So it says Stable Diffusion version 1.5. And you can click on Generate with this model. And then after that, we are just going to click Generate. And by the way, as a starter, you have free 150 tokens in which you can use to generate an AI. So let's check. So far, this is our model, and this is right. So far, okay, so let's check them one by one. Ooh, I like it actually. So the only difference is that the arms here, it has 2 arms, and the fingers here is a bit, mm, no, not this one. And of course the sword. I think this one would be the closest. Yeah. So we're going to download the image and we're going to try to generate this once more. Because this is the reality of AI. You're not going to generate a perfect AI right away. So you really have to keep on trying until you get what you wanted. So we're going to try one more time. So it's the same thing. You're just going to upload the picture here and we are going to generate. All right, so the more that you try to generate the picture that you've had, so the more it comes a bit better. So this one, as you can see, she looks perfect. She looks pretty. This one would be the perfect. Okay, now we're going to try another picture, another image. This time it's going to be close up. So this time we're going to try this one, right? So this time we're just going to like platform model. And we'll try RPG version 4.0 and we're going to try to generate. So by the way, we still have the same format. I'm not liking this. Why are there two heads? Ooh, look at the shoulder, and it's now her forehead. Oh, no, not liking this. This one also. So, see, AI has this imperfection. So, she got the pose, however, the fingers is just weird. So, I think I'm not gonna. Let's see. Mm, we're gonna change our fine tune model. So, this time we're going to use Leonardo Select. So let's see. Ooh, bit closer though. But yeah, I think this one is the closest. Although it's just really weird. Why are her fingers so short? Hmm. But almost her face is so gorgeous. Although the fingers don't really match. So if you've availed the pan, then in this part here, in this option here, you can upscale this photo for a better outcome. So yeah, quite impressive the face and like face. So that's how easy you can train a model in Leonardo AI. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!